If your Mercedes GLS displays a black screen when you plug in your iPhone, don't panic. It is usually a software handshake error. Data shows that 85% of CarPlay failures are caused by low-quality aftermarket cables that cannot handle the data load. The first thing you should try is a soft reset of your infotainment system to clear any temporary glitches. Hold the favorites and telephone buttons for 10 seconds until the system reboots, which often clears the black screen immediately. Make sure your iPhone is set to allow CarPlay while locked, or the Mercedes security protocol might block the video feed. Check your charging port for lint and ensure you are using the primary data port in the center console. If you use a wireless adapter, the black screen is likely a firmware mismatch between the dongle and the MBUX system. Half of all reported black screen cases are solved simply by swapping to a high-quality data cable. If the reset fails, delete the car from your phone and the phone from the car, then start the pairing process from scratch. If none of these work, your GLS might need a firmware update from the dealer to improve MBUX stability. Remember, modern Mercedes systems are very sensitive to voltage, so never skimp on your connection hardware. Hopefully this got your GLS back on track. For more Mercedes troubleshooting, subscribe to your Tech Pal.